Sure. Good evening, everyone. We would like to wholeheartedly welcome each one of you for the ongoing Mental Health Webinar Series 2020-2024. And this is on behalf of the Department of Psychology, the American College of Madurai, in association with the Yellow Pond Counseling Center, Nolambur and Pallikarnai, Chennai, and the Deccan Positive Mental Health Practitioners Association, Telangana. I would like to welcome all the participants and the coordinating team members, different organizers for this wonderful webinar session on the topic purifying food and water is essential for maintaining optimal health by our honorable resource person, Mrs. Kusum Tiwari ma'am, who's a counselor, dynamic holistic healer, spiritual mentor, motivator, and a transformer of life. With that very, very short introduction, I would like to hand over the session to you. The floor is yours, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much once again for being here, for accepting our invitation. Thank you so much. Over to you, Kusum ma'am. You may go on.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, good evening, one and all. I will talk today the power of purity, nourishing body and soul. How food how we can use proper kind of purification food and water to be rooted and grounded. So, in a world filled with distraction and impurities, this presentation explores the profound benefits of purifying food and water by aligning our dietary and hydration practice with principles rooted in both science and spirituality. We can unlock a path of optimal health and well-being. So, my dear friends, as we know that a holistic approach to health is very much important, and for that I will give you one example: gardener's wisdom. Just as a gardener nourishes their plant with care, we must be always mindful of a quality of what nourishes our bodies, removing impurities and ensuring a health balance are crucial for optimal growth, both for plant and ourselves. And we will understand this, that body as a temple. Always we should take our body as a temple. Ancient wisdom across many cultures emphasizes the importance of purity as a path of inner peace and spiritual evaluation. By purifying what we consume, we honor and care for the scared vessel of our body. We should maintain and we should understand this by our own self, that what we are taking, and by taking, while taking, and by taking, and after taking, how we are reacting. So spiritual and psychological benefits I am going to tell you, that preventing toxin accumulation is very, very important. This is first point, that spiritually purify symbolize cleanness and avoiding negative influences. And in psychology, I am telling you this about spirituality, ki in is spirituality, purifying symbols are very, very necessary to clean up and avoid negative influences. But in psychology, it reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, providing oversell all to our health and to our all the cells and what we called nerves. Now, second point is maintaining fluid balance. Spiritually, it represents self-care and respect for the body. But in psychology, it regulates body temperature, how our body's temperature is, then transport what nutrients and remove waste. This is to maintain fluid balance in our body. And now, third point is supporting nutrient absorption. Spiritually, it emphasizes nourishment and balance, and in psychological, it is enhances nutrient absorption and supports vital function. So we should understand that how spiritually it is important, and in psychology also it is balancing both. So I will give you one example of Buddhist, that Buddhist perspective on pure living, how your living should be pure while eating and taking food or drinking. First step is mindful eating. Whatever we are eating, we should be mindful when we are eating, and we should be in silence. We should we should enjoy that eating. Whatever we are eating, we should enjoy it, we should feel it. And for that, Dhampad emphasizes, Dhampad is a Buddhist one noble. So Dhampad emphasizes mindful eating and encourage us to present and aware of our food while eating, and what we are taking, what our choices are for eating. Now, five kind of food is told in Agutara Nikaya. Agutara Nikaya categorize food into five steps, and that is remaining us to diverse way we what we are taking nutritious for ourselves. Now, third point, I will tell you that compassionate eating is must. And in this, Mahayana scriptures advocates for compassion eating, minimizing harm to all living beings in our food choices. Now, my dear friends, we should take and we should acknowledge some principles also for a pure living and for a pure life. So, one is gratitude, gratitude for food and water that sustain us, fosters a deeper appreciation for life's blessing. So we should always be grateful whatever we are getting, we are eating.
ನಿನ್ನೆನೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು
Mindfulness.
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Please, please mute.
ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗ ನನಗೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Anit,
There's a kind request. Please keep your mic on a mute because it is actually distracting and disturbing the speaker. If you could just mute your mics, it will be very good. And thank you so much for your kind understanding. Ma'am, you may continue.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Mindfulness. Second, we should remember that mindfulness, eating and drinking is very, very important. Eating and drinking mindfully allows us to savor each bite and sip, fully experiencing the nourishment we receive. Whatever we are receiving in our body, that is very, very important, because what we are receiving, after that what we are behaving, that is showing in our attitude and in our behavior too. Self control is must. Practice, you should practice lots and lots, and moderate in our consumption helps maintain balance and avoid over whatever we say ki, over indulgence. Whatever we are indulging over while eating, we should be moderate on that. We should take practice of that. And avoidance, Avoidance is also very, very important because avoiding harmful substance like alcohol, tobacco, and processed food promote overall well-being. So we should avoid this also, because we are thinking that some who are taking this, they are thinking that it is a part of life. No, it is not part of life. It is very dangerous for your health. Now I will talk some interfaith perspectives on purity. So, in that, Stewart's first one is caring for the earth's resources, including food and water, is a shared responsibility across many faiths. Whatever you are having faith, whatever you are believing, in that you should always think that caring of earth's resources, whatever earth is giving us, including food and water, is a shared responsibility across many faiths. And second is body and soul. Many religions emphasize caring of both the physical body and the spiritual soul, recognize their interconnectedness. So we should always interconnect with what spiritual growth is for the soul and what is important for the body. Now, third is compassion. So, compassionate eating and living extent of all living beings recognizes our interconnectedness with the web of life. So compassion is very, very important. Then we should show the gratitude. Expressing gratitude for substances is a common theme across many spiritual tradition. Now, third last point is balance. Living a life of balance and harmony is essential for both physical and spiritual well-being. Now, I am going to talk about additional psychological benefit of purity. So, purity is not in thinking, it is in cellular health also, skin health also, and eye health also. I am going to talk about that cellular health, purified food and water promote healthy cell growth and function, contributing to overall vitality. Now, skin health is pure nutrition contributed to healthy skin, providing conditions like acne and all. Third, proper hydration and nutrition protect vision and reduce the risk of eye diseases. So we should take proper hydration and nutrition for our healthy eye. Now I am going to share you some consequence of impurities. So in that, first is whenever we are finding many disorders. So first disorder is that contaminated food and water can cause diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. So we should always take the food what is good for our body and for our soul. Now, second point in this is kidney damage. It is uh, excessive toxin exposes can harm kidney function, leading to whatever we are taking or whatever we are drinking. We should take care of that also. Now neurological problem is also there, because impurities can affect many things, in many things. First is memory, then mood swing, then whatever you are thinking, always overall well-being of yourself. So we should take care of that also. And cancer risks, today it is very we are seeing many problem of cancers. So long term exposures also include impure food and water, that increases cancer risk also. And reproductive issues are also coming. Toxin exposures can also affect your fertility and fetal development, implicating your reproductive health also. Now, reliable resources for informed choices. In that, I will tell you, first is NIH, the National Institute of Health. It provides valuable research and information of health and nutrition. So we should have a knowledge of this also, and we can take the help of this organization also. Second is WHO, the World Health Organization offers global guidelines and recommendation of food safety and water quality. Now, third is CDC, the Center of Disease Controls and Prevention. Whatever preventions we are taking or providing, we can go through this also. CDC, the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, it provides information and resources on preventing foodborne illness. So, foodborne illness, we can take the knowledge of this from this organization. And fourth is AHA, the American Heart Association, offers guidance on heart healthy diet and nutrition. So, my dear, by practicing these all qualities, uh, taking pure food that is better for our body and soul, we can empower ourselves. And empowering your journey to purity by enhancing the principles of purity in food and water, we can empower ourselves to living healthier, more fulfilling lives. Let's choose to nourish our body and soul with mindfulness, awareness, and compassion, creating a more harmonious connection with ourselves and the world around us. I hope you all should understand what I have uh, talked about. And thank you so much for my session. So kindly, if you have any suggestions, then you come up with that. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a wonderful session regarding our diet and how we have to purify ourselves and what kind of a purify water which is essential for the body, and how we have to balance with the spirituality and also with the health care also. Very good session. The floor is for question. Someone want to contribute certain things in addition or want to clear some doubts? I welcome you.
Hello, I have one doubt, ma'am. Can I ask?
Yes, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Yeah, Kusum madam, excellent session, madam. It was in a simple way. You have told us very clearly and very informative session, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, I wanted to understand how to means take care of our kidney. Like that purifying and all you said.
Huh. Your voice is not coming properly.
Geriatric patients, they are having this issue, ma'am, kidney issues.
Okay.
So any
Kidney.
tips, any tips for protection and all? Can you highlight on that?
Taking care, I will tell you कि taking care of your kidney is crucial for maintaining your over health ना. तो lifestyle changes. I'm audible, sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Lifestyle changes are there that stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, at least 8 to 10 glass a day. That will
Mm.
help kidney functioning properly. Maintaining a healthy weight.
ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
Na?
ಒಂದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಹೂವಿಂದ ಇದು ಪಂಚ ಬರ್ತದ.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes, ma'am.
mute because
ಮೇಡಮ್
under
ನಾನು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಸಿ ಬರ DPR ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಭಾಳ DPR ನೀರು ಕುಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಾರಲ್ರಿ ಶಾಣು ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದಾರಲ್ರಿ ಹೋದ್ರ.
maintain a healthy weight.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
excess weight is very, very dangerous for kidney strain. It gives the kidney strain, sir.
Okay, okay.
Exercise on regular basis, you should take exercise also. Physical activities helps blood flow and kidney
Mm.
function properly. Quite
Mm-hmm.
smoking because smoking is very, very dangerous. Smoking damages blood vessels and reduces kidney function also. And
Okay, okay.
limit alcohol because alcohols many of the people are taking alcohol and they are saying no, we are not doing this type of act, but excessive drinking is very, very dangerous for kidney. Now
Okay.
reduce sodium also. Limit
Mm.
salt intake is also because
Mm-hmm.
whatever quality you should say take is quantity of 5 gram a day salt.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Okay.
telling about and eat kidney friendly foods. Eat kidney friendly foods means focus on foods that is berries, citrus, vegetables, leafy green vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These are very, very important. Then
Mm-hmm.
limit animal protein.
Mm.
And you are understanding, na? Yeah,
Yes,
animal
yes, ma'am.
protein.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Animal protein.
Avoid processed food, high
Mm.
sugar and salt and unhealthy fats. That is also harmful for the kidneys. And
Okay.
stay hydrated with herbal teas. Don't take
Mm-hmm.
teas. Herbal teas should be taken. So in
Mm-hmm.
that, what you can include ginger. You can take and peppermints. You can take like this
Mm-hmm.
things you can include in your tea also. And
Okay.
how can you monitor your health by regular checkup? So
Mm-hmm.
maintain your blood pressure properly, blood sugar should be proper, and how your kidney is functioning. For that, a regular checkup is very, very
Mm.
important. Then
Correct.
second point is check your urine output also. Normal
Mm-hmm.
urine output is 1.5 or 2 liters day.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
That should be also taken because urine is very, very important for that, na? To check up.
Mm-hmm.
And monitor kidney function test also. Consult with
Mm.
your doctor and take the regular tests properly because kidney
Mm-hmm.
issue is very, very common nowadays.
Yeah.
So many people are facing that problem, kidney
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
And
And
natural
madam, once 30 to 40% kidney get damaged, then only the
yeah,
patient or doctor will able to come to know, ma'am.
yeah.
Before initially, it is very difficult.
So initially only I am talking that you should take this all care, na? You will
Yeah,
take
yeah,
this
sir.
will
Correct.
understand if
Mm-hmm.
if is happening with you or anybody, so you can understand that kidney problem is there.
Mm-hmm.
And natural remedies I can give you that natural remedies help because see many my sister was also facing this problem. She
Mm.
was having a stone in her kidney.
Okay,
So
okay.
we have taken this all care. So I
Mm.
am acknowledged with that. So natural remedies are cranberry juice is there.
Which
Cranberry
one? Which
juice.
juice? Which juice?
Cranberry juice.
Oh,
C
cranberry.
C
Cranberry.
C R
Cranberry.
Cranberry.
yeah,
Cranberry juice.
CRANBERRY.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Ah,
Any Cranberry juice.
yeah. Huh. Then you can include that detoxification also.
Mm-hmm.
For you can take the root also. What the root is called dandelion root.
Mm-hmm.
DANDELION. My sister was taking all that.
Mm-hmm.
Join
Dandelion.
to root. Then turmeric also you can include turmeric. Also you
Okay.
can, and
Mm.
ginger also you can include. And
Mm.
avoid harmful substance also, like limit painkillers, because whenever
Mm.
we are facing the problem now we take painkillers
Correct,
without
correct.
asking doctors, so it is also
Mm.
very harmful for kidney.
Okay,
Avoid
okay.
avoid heavy metals also.
Mm-hmm.
Metals like lead, mercury, like this type of things
Mm-hmm. Mm.
is also not good for your kidney. And
Okay.
avoid certain medications also, because
Mm.
medication whenever your doctor, whatever your doctor is consulting to you, you
Mm.
can go through with that doctor consult only. You
Okay.
can't take any medicine. You can't take any medicine. So all this, if you will take care, so it will give you better result, I can say. And
Yeah.
you can also in this condition, what you can control your blood pressure also, because it is also a very big issue.
Mm-hmm.
Those who are feeling this type of problem, kidney problem. Manage
Mm-hmm.
diabetes also, diets also, and
Mm-hmm.
diabetes also, because blood sugar is very harmful for kidney. High blood sugar is very harmful
Mm-hmm.
for kidney. And
Mm-hmm.
treat kidney stone also, because see, if you if anybody is having a kidney stone na, so you should take care of that stone also very properly. You can't take it
Mm-hmm.
lightly. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
And
That's good.
additional tips I can give you, that rest is very important. Get
Mm-hmm.
enough, and enough sleep means 7 to 8 hours night.
Okay.
Your
Okay.
aim should
Okay.
uh, manage
Mm.
stress also. And for that, what you have to do: yoga, meditation, deep breathing
Mm.
exercise. This
Mm-hmm.
all things you have to add in your what you call habit, uh,
Yeah.
in your daily routine. And
Correct.
avoid excessive caffeines, because
Mm-hmm.
caffeines are also very dangerous for kidney.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
if you want more knowledge for this, so you can go and search NKF, National Kidney Foundation. It will give
Mm-hmm.
you all knowledge. These are the resources what I am speaking about. And
Yeah.
uh, there is one also AKF, that is American Kidney Fund. They are
Mm-hmm.
providing also those who are very critically facing this kidney problem.
Okay.
So
Okay.
World Kidney Day is also celebrating a whole world, and they are also acknowledging so many knowledge. They are also giving so many knowledge how to take care, what to do and what. So you
Kushim ma'am? Kushim Tiwari ma'am? I think some network issue is there. Kushim Tiwari ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am. You want to explain something more?
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I have explained. I think sir has understood.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very, very much thankful, ma'am. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Be relaxed. Be happy, sir. And take a regular medicine as well as be with don't get into the depression, and regular medicine is going to help you with a good food habit. So
Yes,
it will be
madam.
very much a long life to you. All.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Some other want to ask some question? I think it's mostly everyone is feedback is very nice, ma'am. All are appreciating you. It's a very good session.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Accept the gratitude from the American College Madurai. Department of Psychology, American College Madurai, with the Ellapon Counseling Center, Nolumbur, and the Deccan Positive Mental Health Practitioners Association. Thank you very much, ma'am. We need more and more section from you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank